The Nasdaq 100 this week surged back above the key resistance level. That price broke below last week. Monday price got close to the 16,180 support level before rallying hard, driven by Nvidia. This was after the chip maker unveiled 3 new AI chips aimed at running AI at home. The chips also comply with export controls on China. Nvidia is up over 9% on the week and has hit her all-time high on 4 separate occasions this week. In fact, the big tech names were back in favor this week, which is what is driving this week's rally in the Nasdaq 100. Nvidia and Meta leading the way. Meta received a broker upgrade, which boosted the stock. I never like stocks which create outsized moves driven by broker recommendations. Typically these movements are temporary because they're not based off supply and demand for the stock, but rather a recommendation from a well-known bank or brokerage firm. We can see from the daily chart, once price broke back above the 20-day, it has remained there all week, with price testing this as support on Tuesday. The gains have been capped since Wednesday, as the latest CPI report came in hotter than expected. US CPI for December came in at 3.4%, when 3.2% was expected. Today, however, US producer prices missed analyst estimates, coming in at minus 0.1%, when plus 0.1% was expected, which keeps rate cuts by the Fed firmly in play. In terms of levels to watch into the close of next week, with price boosted by Nvidia this week, that is likely to keep the upward momentum into next week in earnings. The all-time high from the 28th of December at 16,977 will be the target. Connect the all-time highs to the highs from July last year. That gives us an upside target of around 17,060. The 20-day around 16,600 will act as firm support. Below that, and the level price broke back above this week, at 16,440 will be the next level. Next week, earnings continue with the remainder of the big banks. Plus, we have retail sales data on Wednesday. With that said, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. And I'll see you at the next one.